Hey, it's Nicole here, and I really want to meet you, Max Schneider. You are really handsome and a good singer, and you rock how to rock and rags. You rock that. Oh yeah. You really sing well, and all those covers you rock them right to the ground or to the sky, whichever you want. But I want to meet you, but I know that's not gonna happen. But I really wish it could. 'Cause in my dreams I dream about you, oh, not in like a creepy way, but you are so nice. At least it seems not just a snotty rich guy, but you really seem that special. Oh yeah. I kind of messed that part up, but yeah.